Hello, everybody. Good morning to you. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm doing well. Today is the 4th of April, 2022, and I'm just here to quickly do a short video to show you how to make a deposit on COTP. Okay, guys. So first of all, I'd just like to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers, those of you that have been there from day one, and those of you that came along and you've made this channel what it is today. I cannot stop but appreciating you guys, and I just want to say a massive thank you for all your support. And for those of you that have just joined this channel, if this is your first time watching any of our content, or you've been watching and you haven't actually subscribed yet, this is a perfect opportunity for you to hit that subscribe button. And also, give us thumbs up, hit the notification bell if you're interested in getting first-hand information whenever I drop new content. So having said that, we intend to keep you here for as long as you want to stay rent-free, no ground charges, no maintenance fees, no rents. Okay, guys, that's how nice we are on this platform. Okay, so having said that, like I said, I'm just briefly going to be showing you how to make a deposit on your COPT dashboard, and then you start trading. So, okay, this is my back office, and as you can see records of my total assets. If you haven't watched the first and the second video, you can take the time to go and watch the introductory video and a video showing my dashboard on the second part of it, showing my dashboard and going into more details on my transaction and showing you my journey. But this one is just strictly to show you how to make a deposit and start trading on this platform. Okay, so now this is my homepage. As you can see, this is the homepage, and if you look below the homepage, you see transaction data and how people are making profit from 2 points. Look, this is a profit of 10, profit of 0 point something, 0.5, profit of 27, profit of 0.06. Like I said in my previous video, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It is a realistic platform where you trade realistically and you're being assisted by artificial intelligence who understand the algorithms. Okay, guys, so having said that, I'll show you my transaction hall. So this is where it goes down. This is my transaction hall, as you can see. And in transaction at the moment, I've got over £1,000. My total asset is over £1,000. From my last video, you can tell how much profit I've made so far. If you look at the records of my competition for others, you can see, the profit margin here on the right-hand side. So very realistic, but sustainable. And I would like to remind you all that I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not giving you financial advice. Every information I'm providing to you on this platform is just for educational purposes, or just to share my experience with you in the world of investment, in cryptocurrency, or in any other platform that can, generate passive income for me. It's all about growing our wealth and all about making, that ultimate business decision. So please do your due diligence before you make that ultimate business decision. Okay, don't invest any money that you cannot afford to lose, because sometimes we win and sometimes we don't. So that's how it is. So very quickly, I'll go back to my transaction hall, which is this. Now I'll go back to mine. Okay, so as you can see, if you're trying to initiate a deposit onto your back office in your Mine back office, what you need to do is click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, you can see that the way to recharge is via TRC20. And you already know that the coin we're dealing with, or the asset we're dealing with here on COTP, is the USDT. It's equivalent to the US dollar. And that's why I love it. So like I said in my previous video, that's the major difference for me between COTP and RoyalQ. Okay, so what you need to do next is copy. So you click copy. So that's the wallet address. For those of you that want to use the QR code, you can scan this, QR code, and automatically recharges. But for those of you that are like me, that would like to send to the wallet, just copy like I've copied, go straight into your wallet. If you're using Binance, go into your Binance. If you're using Coinbase, go into your Coinbase. I use Binance because Binance gives me the option to choose what network I'll be using to send the money to wherever it's going to. So, and I already know that you're sending USDT through the TRC, the Tron network. So what I usually do is use my Binance to fund this account. So what you do is go to your Binance wallet, click on USDT, click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it will ask you for the wallet address. You paste this wallet address. It will ask you for the amount you're sending. You type in the amount. That depends on how much you're willing to start with. It will ask you which network you're using to send. Is it ERC20? Is it TRC20? So you choose TRC20. If you choose ERC20, your funds will be lost forever and you can't get them back. So please be very careful. You choose TRC20 and then you initiate that withdrawal from your Binance wallet and it reflects straight. It takes less than 10 minutes for it to reflect. So once you've done that, if you come back to your back office, you'll find out that if you click your transaction hall, which is here, you find the money sitting here in your total asset. So once you find the money in your total asset, then you can go ahead and start competing for orders. How do you compete for orders? By coming here where it says immediate competition for orders, you click on it. So now if I click on it, it will let me know that I don't have available enough balance in my wallet to be able to compete for orders, because at the moment I have used up all my wallet balance, which is currently in a transaction. In the next maybe few hours or thereabout, because you transact for every 2 hours if you're doing it manually. So in the next maybe few hours or in the next 1 hour, because I had already transacted in last hour. So in the next 1 hour, you find all my capital and my profit back into this wallet balance. Then you can start immediately competing for orders. If you click on it, it will give you different transactions where you can make your decision and just click on compete, click on confirm. Once you've confirmed it, that transaction is gone until you've used up all the money in your wallet balance. And then you come back after 2 hours and probably like 15 minutes, you find your capital and your profit back in your wallet balance, you compete for trade again. So that's how you keep doing it. So the more you trade per day, the more your profit. So like it's every 2 hours. So that means you have the luxury of trading for only a maximum of 12 times per day, because we have 24 hours in a day. So divided by 2 hours, you can only trade 12 times in a day. So if you can't trade 12 times in a day, just ensure that at least you're trading about 8 times a day, just for you to make something substantial out of it. What I've discovered is, with the profit margin I'm currently on, which is about 3.3%, if I keep trading like this and I trade 8 times in a day for 1 month, I get my capital back, which is good news. That sounds absolutely good to me. So just to quickly show you this before I round up, if I go to mine and I show you my withdrawal records from the last video, those of you that watched it have already seen this, but as you can see, I've only made 1 withdrawal on the 31st of March, and I made a withdrawal of 101 USDT, which is completed and reflected immediately in my wallet. So just to let you know that yes, it is real. I was just testing the waters, but now what I'm doing is I'm compounding, and maybe when I hit maybe a 200 USDT profit, I'll make another withdrawal and keep compounding again, for as long as I want to. So in terms of referral, if you want to refer people, you can refer people. You'd make some referral bonuses from referring people, but what I'll just say is it is not compulsory for you to refer people. If you don't want to, you can just focus on your trade and make your own money. So you don't have to refer people. So that's just how it works. If you see, look at my team, I'm not really doing a lot of referrals and all that, because I'm not really bothered about it. I'm just focused on my own personal trade. And as you can see, This is how much I've made on referrals, and this is how many people have joined under me. These are my downlines, and that's how it works. So guys, that's just simply how to make a deposit. So to initiate a deposit onto your dashboard, and it reflects in your wallet balance before you start competing for a trade. So that is it. If you have any questions, please just drop a question in the comment section below, and I'll read it and reply to you as quick as possible. And if you want me to record any video that can help you have a smooth journey, if you make the decision to jump on the bandwagon, please feel free to let me know ASAP, and I'll be willing to do that for you. That is why I'm here. You know how I do. I pride myself with integrity and transparency. That's why I'm not afraid to show you my back office. So as you can see, while I'm just speaking to you guys, $265 has moved into my wallet balance, which means I'm almost getting to my 2 hours mark where all this money would move into my wallet balance, and then I initiate on, I start competing for orders again. So that's how we do it, every 2 hours. So you can use your alarm, you can do whatever you need to do to make sure that you remember to, come back to compete for a trade every 2 hours. So once you refresh, sometimes it helps the smooth running. So guys, that's just it. So thank you guys for those of you that have watched till the end, and thank you for the love and how you've been promoting this channel. Please keep sharing and keep blessing somebody, help somebody who wants to grow their fund but they don't know how to. People who are risk takers and want to generate passive income regularly. I'll really appreciate you sharing this video with them. And for those of you that have still not subscribed yet, this is just another opportunity to remind you to please hit that subscribe button right now and the notification bell if you want to get first-hand information whenever I drop new content. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and please share with your friends and family. And like I always say, let's keep winning.